Welcome back to the YouTube video. It's your boy KJ. So today in this YouTube video, I was cooking breakfast. I was cooking toast, eggs, and oatmeal. So let's get into this video, guys. So you can see right here, I'm cracking the eggs, and we did do scrambled eggs this time. And this is a part 2. So if you didn't watch part 1, then watch part 1. See, I'm cracking the eggs right here. Yep, I learned this probably like 3 weeks ago. So yes, make sure you watch the first video, guys. And make sure you like, comment, and subscribe, guys. You see, yes, I'm cooking up the eggs. Yes, 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 yes. Yeah, looks good, guys. And it was very good, too. So, yeah. Yeah, this is called, and this type of bread is called, naan bread, guys. I don't eat regular bread. Yeah, so this is called, naan bread. So, yeah, I'm doing the eggs. Yeah, showing y'all seasoning it, showing y'all how to do it. And for the people who don't know how to cook, I'm teaching y'all. I'll give y'all tutorials. And next time, on the next video, we got a big surprise for y'all. So stay tuned. It's making jelly. So yeah, look at this, guys. Yes. Always want to make sure that you check underneath. Always want to make sure that you check underneath the bread first to see if it's done or not. And always turn your fan on because my fan is sensitive. So y'all need to turn your fans on if y'all cooking. And always cook y'all if you cooking something on the stove, always put it on medium. Because if you have it on high, then you definitely gonna burn something up in here. So cook y'all on medium. Yep. Maple brown sugar. Yep. Looking good. Yep. Yep. You turn the stove. Yeah, me turn it on medium. And I know the flame look big, but all of it it's different. All of the like stove things, it's different. So yeah. Yeah, y'all can see me putting the I like a lot of jelly on my naan bread. So yeah. Okay, naan bread is basically just like it's basically like if you cook like a soft shell and put like butter and jelly on it. It's really good and it's healthy. So yeah. I don't like none of that fake white bread. So yeah, that's healthy for you. And yeah. So yeah, that's why I like naan bread. And it's big. Regular bread is probably need 4 of those. So probably need 4 of regular bread and naan bread is big. So yeah. So yeah, right here I'm putting the eggs up. My granny actually keep the eggs for her plants. She like she feeds them to it. So yeah, she not the whole like egg, but she put the shells in the plants. So yeah, we have a lot of plants, and so as you can see, she had a big watermelon in the way. Yeah. So yeah, this is me about to cook my oatmeal, getting all my stuff out. I did forget some stuff, but I later in the video did get it. So in the shred my cheese. And like I said, y'all need to stay tuned because whenever I post, the next time I post, it's gonna be a huge, different new surprise. I just gotta watch. So next time. And make sure y'all share this to your family members. And share this to people who don't know how to cook. Nah, I'm just playing. I'm just playing chat. Okay, yeah. Y'all make sure y'all send this to family members. Yep. Be shredding the cheese up. Yeah. Yeah, the cheese is very good. You know, I don't just eat cheese like that, but I like my cheese on eggs.
It's cheddar.
Yeah, cheddar. Yeah, cheesiness runs in my family, so a lot of my people like cheese, especially on their eggs. Yeah,
Who likes cheese in the family?
my uncle like cheese. Yeah, like the most cheesiest eggs. So
What
yeah,
about your
me
sister?
getting yeah, my sister loves cheese, and she lactose intolerant too. So that's just crazy. But yeah, I'm not really a big cheese fan, y'all. I barely even like milk, to be honest. Yeah, I was getting a small bowl to put the cheese in because I'm not gonna put all of it on my eggs. Even though some people do that, if you can cook. But yeah, but yeah, as you can see, I wanted to get all the cheese because if I put it in the sink, it's gonna be all dried. Cause it's hot in our house, so it's gonna be all dried it up and stuff. And that's just and it's trifling too. So yeah, so just watch. Okay, yeah, make sure that I got all the cheese off the plate. Make sure I didn't want to drop nothing.
If you do drop something, what do you do?
And if you do drop something, you need to pick it up. Make sure you always pick it up too, and you always want to analyze what you're doing. So yeah,
Good word. I like analyze.
yeah, analyze is a good word. And for those who don't know what analyze means to study something. So yeah, just in case y'all didn't know that. Yeah, this is where I finna make the eggs, guys. Okay. Yeah, turning off my yeah, and I do like my oatmeal thick. So for the people you don't have to make it like how I make it, but I do like mine thick with I like it when I put the plate over it and get dried up. That's the best way for me. Uh that's how I like it. And I did forget to put butter on it, but that's okay, y'all. So yeah, it's okay. Yeah, yeah, this is me rinsing everything, washing everything. Just need to be neat, guys. Me, as you can see,
So
yeah.
how are you doing?
I'm cutting the butter so cause you can't just put eggs. You can't just light up the stove and just put eggs. You have to have butter. If you don't have butter in your eggs, it's not gonna taste good. And yeah, it's just not gonna taste good. And you always need to season your eggs too. Or it's not gonna taste good either. So, and this is where I made the egg. Okay, yeah.
Now
So,
here you go, picking up the skillet again.
yeah, and the skillet is very heavy. It's iron, so it's very heavy. I don't know how I picked that up. That's just very heavy. So yeah, as you can see, I'm just waiting for the butter to melt. I did do a countdown. I did do a countdown because I wanted to make sure, like, tell y'all what's going on and stuff. I want to make sure y'all know what's going on. Tell y'all the details of what I'm doing, everything that I did in here, everything I did in the video. And you see, I'm getting the red thing because I'm scooping all of it out because I don't want to leave no egg inside it
Just a spatula.
in a spatula. So yeah. Yeah, as you can see, I hurried up and put it back because eggs cook fast. You can see it's already sticking up to the plate, to the iron skillet. So it's already so yeah, I like to cook mine fast. Yeah. I just learned this 3 weeks ago, so it should be pretty easy if I to do tutorials. So maybe whenever I post I can do tutorials on how to make eggs for y'all, scrambled and fried. So just stay tuned. Yeah,
Okay,
this is
I'm about
me
to show
putting
you.
cheese. And yes, and guys, I do try not to smile because I want to be professional and I want to be like Gordon Ramsay. So, yeah, that's why I didn't smile a lot in this video. So, yeah, me cooking up all the eggs, guys.
Who's Gordon Ramsay?
Oh, and for those who don't know who Gordon Ramsay is, he's a chef. he has his own restaurant, and he has his own store. His own store is it's called Gordon's. So yeah, we can get meat, crackers, and stuff, milk, basically just like that type of store, you know, grocery store basically, but just Gordon's, Silver Wheel and stuff. So yeah, that's what yeah, I try to watch him a lot. I watch Hell's Kitchen, so yeah, but yeah, I should do like that. Yeah, I want to make sure I get all the eggs, and for that, you see on the skillet that did get stuck, so I was kind of sad about that because I wanted all the egg. See, I'm getting knife to get all the egg out. Make sure, because it's gonna be all in your sink. It's just gonna be nasty. So yeah. And for those who enjoyed the video, make sure you comment, like, and subscribe. So, yeah, and share this to your family members, sisters, brother, friends. And for people who don't know how to cook and who do know how to cook. And to support me. So, yeah, see this, I'm done. Yep, that's all I. Yes, sir, and ma'am. Okay, thank you for watching, guys. Peace out. See y'all again next video.